In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an ActiveCampaign landing page. To begin, head over to your ActiveCampaign dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic starts. Once you're there, take a look at the navigation menu and go ahead and click on the Website tab. This button opens the door to creating and managing your web pages. Next, click on Pages. You're now in the right place to start crafting your landing page. Look for the option to Add New Page. As you select this, you'll be greeted with various template options. Here's a quick tip. If you're just starting out and not sure which design to choose, find one that best suits your style or your brand's identity. Once you've selected an option, click on Use this template. At this stage, you'll want to name your page. Type in a name that is both descriptive and unique, something that will make it easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple landing pages. After this, don't forget to click on Save to ensure all your hard work is preserved. Now comes the fun part. This is where you can really start to make this page your own. Begin by editing the sections of the template. You can alter colors, rearrange the layout, or remove sections that don't fit your vision. It's all about creating a cohesive look that reflects what you want to communicate. Next, move on to the text. Edit the copy on your landing page to clearly convey your message and value proposition. Make sure it's engaging, succinct, and matches your brand's tone. Consider adding buttons and images next. Buttons are crucial for calls to action, guiding users to take specific steps like signing up or contacting you. Ensure your buttons stand out by using contrasting colors. You may also wish to incorporate images that are high quality and relevant, reinforcing the message you're extending through the text. Adding videos can also enhance your landing page's appeal, offering dynamic content that keeps viewers engaged. Try embedding a short, compelling video that delivers additional value or insights related to your message. When your design updates are complete, click on Publish Page. This action saves your changes and brings your page alive for the online audience. Now, it's important to check the domain settings. Ensure your new landing page is using the correct domain, and carefully type in the URL you wish it to have. Double-check these details to prevent any discrepancies or misdirections later on. Once you're satisfied with everything, hit Publish once again. Finally, if you happen to make any further enhancements or adjustments after publishing your page, don't forget to click Publish Updates. This step ensures that all changes are reflected immediately. And there you have it, a complete, customized ActiveCampaign landing page ready to capture your audience's attention. Thank you for watching, and happy landing page building.